Kyle O'Connor is helping a customer in his high-end watch store when a construction worker walks in.
This construction worker started walking towards me, and I asked him how I could help him. He said, yeah, we're here from PG&E, where you have to do some work on the building. I glanced down at the clipboard, and there was just a bunch of writing.
But by the time Kyle realizes something is off, it's too late. The man in construction gear sprays Kyle and his customer with mace, while an accomplice smashes the watch display case with a baseball bat. Incredibly, seconds after being maced, Kyle is able to dial 911, grab his gun, and run the would-be robbers out of the store.